Hello, my name is Mary Berryman. I studied a Bachelor in Criminology and Criminal Justice and graduated 2015. A highlight at Griffith for me was definitely being able to go on one of the prison tours. It's a very rare experience for criminology students in general, but Griffith somehow managed to have those connections to make it happen.
My name is Jade Pereira. I graduated from a Bachelor of Criminology and Criminal Justice in 2014. My highlight of the time that I was at Griffith was probably getting to all the extracurricular things like prison tours, meeting police officers that have worked on different homicides in Brisbane, doing restorative justice. There's a lot of different opportunities. It's not just studying and sitting in lectures, so I think that for me is the best part.
Hi, my name is Ashley Walker. I'm currently studying a Bachelor of Criminology and Criminal Justice at Griffith University, and I'm currently the Secretary of the Criminology Student Society. So being a part of the CSS is a really great opportunity to meet like-minded people and create those friends that you can take with you for the rest of your degree. It also gives you great access to academic events that will help you with your studies, and also social events that will give you the opportunity to meet new people. My favourite part of being a CCJ student is the support you have from your lecturers and your tutors. I feel like they really do care about you and you're not just a number to them. They want to help you to achieve good grades and success.
Griffith staff really go out of their way to help students get the most they can out of their degree.
If you are having issues with a certain subject, or you even have suggestions on what sort of research you'd like to do on the topic, anything like that, show your interest to your academics. They will always be there to help you. If you asked me what criminology was this time 4 years ago, I probably would have said it's what you need to do to get into like NCIS or something like that, and it's totally not the case.
It's really interesting to see all the different theories take on why crime happens, and the brain processes that lead people to commit crime, and how that can affect policy changes in government.
You get to actually know the background of why people offend, you get to learn how to help treat people, you kind of get to learn about every aspect of the criminal justice system, not just what you're seeing on TV. So I think if that's something that interests you, definitely check out Griffith's subjects, and I would definitely recommend the program.